At the time, around 2000, there was this massive uproar by basically people in the developing world weren't able to get access to affordable HIV drugs. I think the prices were around, in 2000, $10,000. And there's a case brought by 40 pharmaceutical companies against the South African government, Mandela's government at the time. And out of that grew out this access to medicines movement, which basically was trying to then get cheaper, affordable HIV drugs to low-income people in developing countries. And India at the time, as I was explaining, was bringing in its new patent law in 2005. So everyone was concerned. Doctors Without Borders called India the pharmacy of the poor, and because it was supplying so much of the HIV medicine, and they were concerned that this pipeline was going to basically dry up if patents were being granted. And so we focused on HIV largely because of that growing movement and that need. And even today, despite all the great work that has been done in the HIV space, we're seeing now that, I think recently there's an article out that a number of people getting HIV medicines in the US is really not as high as it should be. There's going to be actually a crisis in 2020 that in the middle income countries, the number of people who are not able to get HIV treatment. So despite all the great work that has been done, there's still so much more to do, and so still the HIV issue is still central to our work, and despite almost now 10 years of the work we started back then.